In fact, we've been given to understand that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has reached Ahmedabad. We will start rolling out those visuals coming in from spot. Our reporter Nivriti Mohan is currently there at the ground. But let us bring you the latest visuals that we have got hold of straight from Ahmedabad. Prime Minister Modi has reached Ahmedabad to take cognizance of the situation that transpired over there yesterday. Like we've been saying, it was the darkest chapter in the history of aviation. A flight AI-171 with 242 people on board, 12 crew members, 230 passengers. Only one miraculous survival reported from that aircraft. That one person currently undergoing the treatment as well. We've been given to understand that Prime Minister Modi might also meet that one miracle survivor. But Prime Minister has already reached Ahmedabad and he is now en route to the crash site. That's the latest that we have picked up. We also heard from the representatives of the NDRF earlier this morning that the 81 bodies have been collected so far. The counting is still going on. No official count of the number of bodies recovered as of now, just that the rescue operation is still going on. The cordon off operation is still going on. 81 bodies have been recovered so far. Multiple doctors and the medical students who were having their lunch in the hostel where the crash exactly happened have also unfortunately lost their lives, apart from those who were on board AI-171 London-bound flight from Ahmedabad. The plane took off from runway number 23 and soon after it took off, it crashed. There was a mayday call as well. Let me quickly go to my reporter, Nivriti Mohan, joining us from the ground. Nivriti, what's the latest? We have been given to understand that the Prime Minister has landed in Ahmedabad. Now he is en route to the crash site. Bring us more.
Yes, he has landed, Sakshi, he has landed in Ahmedabad, but outside the site where the crash happened, we can see the cavalcade and the arrangements have been made. The area has been cordoned off. We can see the security forces, as you can see visuals on the other side where we are standing, on the other side, exactly on the opposite side of that area. We can see that there are police personnel and the entire area has been cordoned off for the Prime Minister's visit. We cannot exactly say whether he has arrived as of now because we cannot see him in the visuals, but he is expected to arrive here soon, and when he arrives here he will go inside the building. He will monitor the entire accident. He will talk to the security personnel, the investigating agencies who are doing an investigation of the entire accident here, and then from taking the stock of the entire situation in the building, inside the building, then he will go to the hospital, the civil hospital Ahmedabad, where injured
that we have picked up from our sources is that the forensic team has also reached the spot. Could you fill us in on that part as well? Has the forensic team reached there?
Yes, the forensic team has also reached there. It is around 15 minutes back. They have arrived on the spot, and they have also gone inside the building. They will be collecting samples, whatever forensic evidence they can collect. They will be collecting it from inside the building, and it will really be very, very helpful in the entire investigation on how has the accident happened. Now the black box is also one of the crucial evidences that will be taken into consideration, and what exactly happened in the last minute, the only 1 or 2 minutes where the pilot called for a mayday, and then after as soon as he said that it is an emergency situation, within a minute the plane crashed. What all conversation was there between the pilot, the captain and the ATC, that will come out when the black box is also taken and it is used as an evidence. And apart from this, the forensic teams will be looking for other evidences.